Hey guys, today I want to chat with you about a concealed risk in a lot of beauty products. Synthetic colors. You know, those super bright candy-like hues that catch your eye? They might look fun and tempting, but there's a hidden side to them that you need to know about. Let's get real for a second. Synthetic colors, the ones often labeled as FD and C dyes, can be pretty harsh on your skin. They can lead to skin sensitivities and even cause allergic reactions. And that's not all. These unnatural colors sometimes come with impurities that can wreak havoc on your skin. We're talking rashes, redness, and itchiness. Definitely not what you signed up for in your beauty routine. For some folks, it could get even worse with allergic reactions that cause hives or swelling. It's a total nightmare. On top of that, these ingredients can clog your pores and mess with your skin's natural oil balance. This can lead to more breakouts and other skin issues. Not cool, right? But don't worry, we've got your back. Here at Morocco Method, we're all about offering you a safer, more natural beauty experience. Our products are well-crafted and free from synthetic ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your hair and skin. This season, let's upgrade your beauty routine with healthier, toxin-free options. Join us at Morocco Method, where every day is a step towards better health and beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our tips and educational content on hair care and wellness. Thanks for watching.